Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I am here in front of you people introducing the topic self-grooming in the Diwalog series 2021. Hopefully you people might have been enjoying this series. If you people haven't watched the rest of the videos of the series, they'll be linked in the description box. There's an entire playlist that has been created for you people for your convenience, and I have covered multiple topics. I am posting 35 different videos in a row, so you people got to follow me. If you people are not following me, then do go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. Also like this video and the other videos that you go ahead and watch, so as to make sure that you people let me know that you're liking the effort that I'm putting into the videos that are coming for you people. So let's just straight away jump into the introduction of today's topic. In the upcoming 6 days, that is from Monday all the way through Saturday, you are going to see 5 different makeup looks, 2 for Karwa Chauth, 1 for Bhai Dooj and 2 for Diwali, and my absolute must-have makeup products. These are the 6 different videos that are lined up for you people in the coming week. So do consider watching all of those videos and all the other videos that are coming for you people in the Diwalog series. I am working really hard on this series, so I would really love if you people can tell me in the comment section below what do you people think about this series. And don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up so that you make me realize that you people are admiring the efforts that are going into the series. Now, I'd like to say this out loudly and clearly that I am a full-time homemaker. Now, when you talk about festivals, we are into way too many things, especially when you talk about Diwali. We are into cleaning, organizing, cooking. Like, there is a lot to do around this festival. And while you do all of that, you kind of neglect yourself because you need to take care of the kids and the husband and the family as well, along with the house and the rest of the additional stuff that is coming along your way in the festive season. So this is the topic that I did wanted to cover because I wanted you people to admire yourself as well. In the entire series, you people will see I have created some very quick videos. I have used very minimum products for creating those makeup looks, and I have tried to come forth with you people using like similar kind of makeup products and doing different makeup looks for you people. So hopefully you people will find these videos productive. Even if you find one video useful for yourself, I'll consider myself really very lucky, and I'll consider that my entire effort is like fulfilled. So do let me know in the comment section below if you people recreate any of this makeup look, or you people inspired by watching the cleaning videos, or you people get inspired by doing the organizational videos, decluttering videos, whatever you people inspired with. Do let me know in the comment section below. I love receiving your comments, and I would love if you people can go ahead and follow me in all of my social media as well. Links are in the description box once again. Like, I have Instagram, I have Facebook accounts, so you can follow me over there as well. I keep on posting regular stuff over there. I would love for you people to subscribe in this beautiful journey of motherhood, homemakership. I don't even know if that's a word, but still, I'd love for you people to subscribe. I'll take your all sleeve, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, just stay blessed and take very good care of yourself. Bye.